different. I'm going to do a spice bottle pour. So it's a spice bottle emptied out, and it's got these little holes in the top. So I'm going to put some paint in here, put this on, and then I'm going to pour it over top of some black paint as my base. So I'll turn you down. I'm just going to spread some paint around. I'm just doing it on a piece of cardboard, just I want to try before I do it on a good canvas. See how I like it. I have to go get myself some small canvases. And I need to put my speaker on. I forgot to put it back on. Hope you can hear me okay. Let's put this on. And I think we'll be good. All right, back to work. Spread this around, not too thick, as I imagine there'll be enough paint on here. This is just paint with Floetrol or Zenser. Sometimes I use Zenser, which is the same thing as Floetrol. It's just a little bit of a different texture. It's more of a clear paint conditioner, I guess you'd call it. Helps the paint flow smooth. All right, so I don't have any water to put this in, so I'll stick it over here. All right, so I'm gonna just use some random colors that some I used in my last pour. This color is a mixture of a bunch of colors that I just mixed together. It's made like a greeny, a light green color. So I use that. And then I've got this yellowy cream color. Put that in. I put a bit of dimethicone in the green. I've got a bit of magenta left that I had from my last pour. So maybe I'll put a drop of dimethicone in it. Just a drop. Give it a little stir. There's not a lot of paint in here. Actually, I have some. I'll just pour it in on top. This might be funny colors together. I don't know. We'll see. Good way to use up some paint. Okay, so what have I got? Pink, green, beige. I got a little bit of turquoise. Put a drop of dimethicone in it. This is coconut milk. It has dimethicone in it. Makes the cells. This is getting a little thick. Sometimes if it sits for a day or two, it gets thick. See, I gotta check and add some water. There we go. Pour that in. All right, maybe more of the green on top. The magenta's gone. More of this beige. I don't really know how much to put in here, but I'm just winging it. not a lot. That's about to here. So maybe a little more of this color. I have a bit of purple. I could add that to it. Just a little bit of that on top and see what happens if it sinks or disappears. There's not a lot there. All right, I think I'm gonna be done with this. So I'm gonna put this on. Now, I'm not gonna stir it. I'm just gonna turn it upside down, and then I'm just gonna move it around. So maybe I should, I'm gonna cover it, let it go like this, then I'll pull my hand away. Oh. This is kind of weird. Actually, the colors are pretty nice. Should have just enough. There. Look at all those cool cells. This is a lot of paint on here, so I'm just gonna move it a bit. And let it come down this way. I want to keep some of that black showing, but it's getting covered up. That's okay. I'll let it come down this way. Come this way a bit. I like the colors. There. I'm going to stop pouring. I'm going to try and See if my heat gun will bring out any more cells. I think I should have done this first. Oh, there's a couple coming out. There's a few coming out. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. Very cool. That would have looked nice on a canvas. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it. Leave it alone. All right, that's it. I just thought I would give that a try, and it's kind of cool. Makes a lot of cells, that's for sure. Maybe try it one time and just go in circles. See how that goes. Anyway, I'll let you go for now. Please subscribe to my channel and come back soon to Carol's Art Room. Thank you. Bye-bye. I think I should show you a close-up. There. How's that? Thank you. Bye-bye.